You gotta sit. I guess I gotta edit.
You don't have to edit this. Right, guys? Why are we going to edit? Why? Well, we're here again.
Hey, guys.
Everybody. And this is Anson. And I'm Gladys.
What was that? You're a cat?
So, what day is it today?
It's the 9th.
It's the 9th. That's awesome.
Here with the Simple Life Reclaim Thankful Challenge.
Yeah. And, well, today, for me, I'm thankful for our humor. I'm thankful for our humor. Because we have to take it a day at a time, right? And so much goes on. Setbacks, anything like that. And just got to take it with a grain of salt. Just laugh it out and keep moving.
I have a lot of laugh lines. A lot of them. Yeah. Well,
that's what I'm thankful for, that, we can still laugh it out. We just see the better side of things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I think today that I'm thankful for awesome hair days. What? Yeah.
That's better than whatever he tries to do. Whenever he has something important or somewhere important to go, he'll lick it to one side. And he looked like one of them barbers from, back in the Western days.
Yeah.
And it's
wait until I get some mustache wax.
What are you doing?
And I get my mustache to start going out with the little curly cues.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's gonna be epic. But no, I am definitely thankful for being hairy.
Yeah.
I love my hair. I love my beard.
You're so full of yourself.
I know, sometimes.
And, well, who are we going to give our shout out to this time?
And today, I think I'm going to shout out Mr. Troy over at Barr Run Forge. So he actually does a lot of live shows. He's a minister. And so he does a Tinker with Troy. And both him and his son Eli, they're knocking out some good stuff. Right now he's working on a gate. Mm-hmm. So he's been doing that the past few times. So I'll put the link down in the description. Go check him out.
Yeah.
Does some great work. Anything else?
No, I have nothing else.
Alright. I don't need it. I'm kind of tired. I'm ready to shower.
Yeah, he stinks. Big time.
Yep.
Yeah. I gotta go make sure the girls get in the shower too. These hooligans.
I know.
So.
Alright, we'll see you all tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye-bye.